So this is April 1st, 2023. We just had an inch of rain yesterday. Just trying to document where all the wet spots are. I think we need some surface drainage work. But I'm just gonna walk through here and see which way water's going and where it wants to be. So this water is flowing to my right, down that way. You can see that water is a little bit higher than this water. So if I had a little bit of a ditch or indent in the ground right here, we could make this drain out pretty quickly. I can see it pretty easily. I don't think the camera's picking it up, but it is moving. Tempted to get the backhoe and come out here, start making some more trenches. Why not? First day of April. April Fools! We'll put fuel in the backhoe, and I don't even know if I can get it out here. That'll be a mess in itself. But this water is quite a bit taller than that water by the road. So, just a little bit of work. I think we could get it to move pretty quickly. Right here. And it already does kind of do that. See, it's doing it. It just needs a little bit more of a ditch. Right through there. And this all appeared overnight. I would say the ditch is full up by the road. That's the Thompson drain. That ditch is the Thompson drain. And it's flowing out this end. Oop. Somebody's pulling in the driveway. Maybe they need some hay. Who knows? Eggs? Hard to say. Ooh, he's pretty deep. Oh, we got a nice little flow right here. It'll clear itself out pretty good. Somebody's delivering a package. Definitely got a nice little valley through here. But yeah, she's coming up. I dug that trench up there last week. I would say it's working. Oh, it's a FedEx truck. Pick up. He doesn't get good gas mileage. See that water? Got a nice river. Wish I had a toy boat. Yeah, this is the trench I dug a week ago. It's working really well. Man, I wish I could get the backhoe out here. It's trapped. It's trapped right where around the barn. Alright, I gotta go.